Hello everybody, how it's going? Today I will teaching you how to fix the discard something going on here, okay? So first of all, you need to open your Discord app and make sure it's updated. It's important to say that's work in your phone number or on your PC, okay? So in your phone number, you just log out your account, okay? Install the app, and after that, you just uninstall the app and log in your account normally. Probably the bug was fixed, okay? And in your computer is basically the same process, okay? You just log out in your account, close the program of the app, okay? After that, you just open the program of the app again, log in your account, and probably the bug was fixed too. If that doesn't work, you just go to your panel control, install the Discord, and install again, okay? I hope I can help you with this video. If you like, don't forget to subscribe in our video and hit the like button. See ya.